Searching by a judge on Westlaw is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. The first way is using the judge field. This is the most direct way to search for cases by judge. Go to the Cases section and select Advanced. In the Document Fields area, look for the Judge field. Enter the judge's full name or partial name, enclosed in quotes for better precision. You can also use the field connector JU followed by the judge's name. The other way is using search terms. You can enter the judge's name directly in the search bar along with other relevant terms. For example, you can search for Smith J and antitrust. This will find cases with Judge Smith presiding over antitrust matters. Next, there is using Westlaw Analytics. If you have Westlaw Edge with access to Westlaw Analytics, you can search for cases by judge and explore various analytics related to their rulings. Now, go to the Judges section in Westlaw Analytics and type in the judge's name. You can then view their docket analytics, precedent, expert challenges, and appeals data. Then, using case citations. If you have the citation of a case presided over by the judge you're interested in, you can use it to find other cases they presided over. Enter the case citation in the search bar and see if there are related cases listed.